Happy Monday. Hope you're having a great start to the week. And like to introduce another newsletter to you, issue number 58. So this one kind of continues on with the why zebras don't get ulcers. This goes into a little bit more about chronic stress and how that has become so much a part of our lives today. I don't believe it used to be that way, but now we have things just 24/7 all the time. You have access to your phone, you have access to your computer. There's demands put on us that weren't there decades ago, I don't believe. And so that just makes stress that much more of an issue to our health. And so this kind of goes into those type of challenges that we have with stress and how it affects our body. And then a lot of it just starts with the awareness of what that is doing to us so that we can address that. But I don't want to give it all away. I want you to read the newsletter and provide some comments and questions for me. So click the link, give it a read, and tell me what you think. Have a great day.